Hi guys, my name is Mayuri. So I'm planning on making a playlist of all the lessons in English of the Karnataka state syllabus. So I'll be giving a summary of all the lessons, and this will be a summary which will help you write answers in your exams. So I'll just scroll down so that you can pause and note down if you want to. And this is grammatically correct, so you can refer it to write answers during your exams. So the main reason for making these videos is that during your exams, when your exams are very near, it will help you to revise all the lessons within 6 to 7 minutes. I'll not waste a lot of time in reading through the lines. I'll just explain the gist of every paragraph that I've written over here. The entire lesson from your textbook has been made into several paragraphs. Okay. So let's begin now. A Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise. This is your first lesson written by Rabindranath Tagore. I hope everybody has read the lesson given in the textbook. If you haven't read, just go through the lesson once and then you can come back and refer to the summary. Okay. So the story is about a man, okay, a man who never did any useful work. He always used to indulge himself in doing some of the other things like making sculptures and making quaint earthen pots which were dotted over with seashells. He kept painting and wasted a lot of time in doing all these things which were useless. People used to laugh at him. Sometimes he used to feel like giving up on all of these things, but still they kept running through his mind. They still lingered in his mind, means they kept running through his mind. This man spent his entire life on earth doing useless things, but still the gates of heaven were open to him, and this aerial messenger made a mistake by putting this man to the workers' paradise. Now, they have described a little about workers' paradise in this next paragraph. So in this workers' paradise, everybody was busy. Everybody kept doing some of the other things and they had no time for leisure. And they were very happy and proud being so busy. Now, this man who had passed all his life on earth by doing all these useless things like making sculptures and paintings, he did not fit in this worker's paradise. He launched means relaxed lazily in the streets and jostled the hurrying men. Jostled the hurrying men means he kept bumping the busy people, means he kept dashing the busy people. He lay down in the green meadows, means green grasslands or close to fast flowing streams. That is, he was always relaxed, very lazy, and he kept bumping into these hurrying people who were doing some work, or else he kept laying on the grass or near the fast flowing streams, and he was taken to task by the busy farmers. So taken to task, task means work, and taken to task means the busy farmers told him that whatever he was doing was not correct. So he was always in the way of others. He had become an obstruction to people. Okay. Now, a bustling girl went every day to the silent torrent to draw water. Bustling girl means there was a busy girl who went to the torrent every day to draw water. Now, the girl's movement has been compared to the movement of a skilled hand on the strings of a guitar. Means when you start playing a guitar, like when you master the art of playing a guitar, your hands run through the strings very quickly, don't they? So similarly, the girl's movement was very rapid and very quick. That is, she was very, very busy. That indicates she was very, very busy. Now, what happened was the idler was standing by the stream and the girl saw this man and offered to give him some work if he liked. He agreed and he told her that he'll make a picture on her pitcher. Pitcher is a pot used to draw waters. Now initially the girl was annoyed. Initially she was annoyed and she did not agree to it. They kept meeting every day and one fine day she agreed to it and gave him one of her picture. He drew line after line and he put color after color, and when he completed the drawing, the picture or the painting, he gave the picture to her. She was extremely surprised to see that. She took the picture and she asked him that if these pictures conveyed any meaning. So the idler replied they did not have any meaning and purpose at all. Now the girl took the picture and went away and she kept scanning through it. The next day when she set out towards the torrent, that is to fill water as usual, her hurrying feet were a little less hurried than before. That means she was not that busy as before. Why? Because a new sense had awakened in her, a sense that had no meaning and purpose at all. Now, the girl again saw the next day, the girl saw the idler standing by the stream, and she asked him what he wanted from her. He replied that he would make colorful ribbons for her. Now she agreed, and ribbons were made, and every day she used to spend a lot of time in tying those ribbons around her hair. So as time passed, what happened was a lot of work was unfinished in the workers' paradise, and the entire workers' paradise work had begun to suffer. Many persons who were active before were now involving themselves in all these useless things like making sculptures, painting, and all of that. The elders became very anxious, and hence they called for a meeting. Now the aerial messenger also came, and he confessed in front of everybody that he had made a mistake. He had brought a wrong man into the workers' paradise, and everything that had happened was because of this wrong man. Now the man was summoned before everybody. That is, he was called before everybody. The president of the workers' paradise asked the man to leave. The man was really happy, and he sighed in relief. And when he was about to leave, what happened was this busy girl cried that she will accompany with him. She would accompany him. So now the elders were surprised because such a thing had never happened before in workers' paradise. A thing that had no meaning and no purpose at all. So this is the summary of this entire lesson. If you have any doubts, please feel free to post it in the comment section below. Thank you.